Hello second grade, welcome back everyone. I hope that you are super ready to start with today's activities. Today we're going to be doing a review about more of the topics, the grammar from Unit 7. Maybe you're forgetting about this, I hope you haven't. But we're going to be doing a review about present simple and the auxiliary verb do. Maybe you hear this, teacher, I don't remember that. Well, we're going to be doing a review about this really right now, okay? So as you can see here, I'm showing you this presentation that I've shown you before. Maybe you remember this topic, I hope you do. This is the topic when you use like, doesn't like, don't like, etc. And there's so much to learn about this. You did an excellent job while we were doing these activities in Unit 7. You did it really nice. You learned it super fast. But it's okay if we want to review about this so we can have it perfectly in our minds for the exam, right? So we have that we can make sentences in affirmative or negative. And maybe you say, teacher, what is affirmative? What is negative? Well, negative is super easy. You just need to know that a negative sentence is when you say no, okay? When you want to say, no, I don't do that. That is a negative sentence, okay? Because you are using the negation or the way not of the verb, okay? So for example, affirmative is when you say or you want to say yes to something. I do this, I practice it, is something that I do, is affirmative. I'm assuming that I do something. For example, some examples that I have in here, I like flowers. It's something that I like. I don't have a problem by liking flowers. I like chocolate, or you like chocolate in this case. We like fast foods, they like secrets, okay? As you can see, we're using the verb like, okay? Like in Facebook, like YouTube, I don't know, other social media. And like, it's okay. Like is something that I like, okay? Like a heart, okay? I like that. Okay, so now, what happens when we are using the subject he, she, or it? Likes, okay? He likes snakes. She likes chocolate. It likes bones, okay? So in this case, the only difference is when you use subject he, she, or it, you need to add an S at the end of the verb like. Because in this case, we can use any verb, podemos usar cualquier verbo, and we will use or we will need to use a verb with S. Pero en este caso solo estamos viendo el verbo like, okay? So, for example, he likes snakes, she likes chocolate, it likes bones, okay? What happens if I want to write the same sentences but in negative, las mismas oraciones pero en negative? I don't like flowers. It's the same. You just need to add don't between the subject and the verb like. You don't like chocolate. We don't like fast food. They don't like cigarettes. Okay, third persons. He, she, it. We are not going to use don't. It's different. We're going to use doesn't, okay? Doesn't. See the difference? Don't, doesn't. Don't, doesn't, okay? He doesn't like snakes. She doesn't like chocolate. It doesn't like bones. So now you are using the verb doesn't like. So it means that in here ya no vamos a poner esa S, likes. No sería he doesn't like snakes. No, porque ya sería mucho, okay? So that will be a little bit too much. So here I have some other examples. I like fruit, we like apples, but in this case we have She likes tomatoes. They don't like carrots. Okay, solo vamos a checar eso. Okay, right now let's check how do we make questions about this. If I want to know if someone likes something, what happens when I want to ask you if you like any food, any animal? How do we make these questions with do? It needs to be in a different order, okay? It's not going to be the same as you use when you are writing or when you are making a sentence, a negative sentence. Your questions are going to be in a different order, but let's check it out. They always start the questions, okay? You can see the question mark in here. You always start your questions with do or does, depending on the subject. Remember that does is only used with he, she, or it. And do is used with I, you, we, and they, the rest of the subjects. And then we're going to write the verb, and then in here the vocabulary: cookies, carrots, spaghetti, strawberry, cheetah, lion, etc. Whatever you want to write in there, and the question mark, okay? Let's review. Auxiliary do or does, subject, it can be anything, and then the verb like and the vocabulary. For example, do you like cookies? We have it in here. In this case, we use the auxiliary do because our subject is you, okay? Vamos así en línea. Este se usa con estos y este se usa con estos. Okay, then we are going to write like and the vocabulary. What happens if I want to make a question in a third person with he, she, or it? It's almost the same. We only need to change do for does. Does she like carrots? And that's it. Okay, so right now we're going to be doing some activities. Recuerda que las actividades que vamos a hacer ahora solo se van a contestar en voz alta. It is not necessary to copy anything on your notebook, turn in anything by the platform. Just please watch these videos. Tomorrow we have another one, and that will be nice. So I have some questions for you in here, and you are going to see 2 or 3 options, A, B, C, etc. A, B, or C, like we did yesterday, and you need to choose aloud, say it aloud, the correct answer, decirla en voz alta, okay? That will be nice. So, the first question says, do you like carrots? Letter A, yes I do. Letter B, yes I does. Letter C, yes I don't. Which one is the correct option? You need to check. Algunas no están correctas. Algunas no están bien estructuradas. No están bien escritas. So what's the correct answer? Do you like carrots? Yes, I do. Yes, I does. Yes, I don't. So the correct option, the correct answer is, do you like carrots? Yes, I do. Ok, vamos a regresar un poquito para ver por qué las otras dos no podían ser. Because, yes, I does. Because I never uses does. Con I siempre usamos do. Never, never, never does. Ok. Letter C. Why wasn't letter C the correct option? Yes, I don't. Because don't is only used with negative. No. Si quisiéramos poner don't, sería no, I don't. No, yes, I don't. It is not correct. So the correct answer is yes, I do. Excellent job. Now, the next question says, does she like cookies? A, no, she don't. Letter B, yes, she does. Yes, otra vez. Letter B, yes, I doesn't. Letter C, no, she doesn't. What's the correct answer? Which one is the correct option? A, no, she don't. B, yes, I doesn't. C, no, she doesn't. What do you think about it? The correct answer is no, she doesn't. Okay? Remember, you need to check carefully the correct option. Okay, now you need to fill in the blank by saying A or B depending in the question. Pay attention, this is a question, es una pregunta. Do or does they like burgers? A or B? Do or does they like burgers? The correct answer is letter A. Do they like burgers? Okay, remember, we never use does with they. Con they siempre usamos do. The correct answer, do they like burgers? Very nice. Okay, we're almost finishing. Blank, she like lions. A, do. B, does. She like lions? A or B? The correct answer is letter B. Does she like lions? Right now, next one. A, do. B, does. We like zebras. In these cases, you need to pay attention to the subject. Which one do we use when our subject is we? Do or does? If your answer was letter A, do we like zebras? Excellent job, kids. Well done. That's it. Okay? So now we have one more. Blank, you like watermelon. Pay attention to the subject. Is it letter A, do, letter B, does? Like watermelon? The correct answer is, do you like watermelon? Remember, do is always used with subject you. Okay, do you like watermelon? Excellent job. And that's it, kids. I hope this was really refreshing and you didn't forget about this, and this is going to help you for the exam. If you want to watch this video again, please watch it again. If you want to review more about this, if you want to listen to the explanation one more time, it's going to be pretty useful. Don't forget to study for your exams, and that's it. I'll see you tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to be reviewing about another topic, important topics, remember? That's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to keep watching the videos. I'll see you then. Bye!